Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Solana, take a look at Bitcoin, and give you guys my opinion on the overall market cap of crypto because we are seeing quite a big move today. And I want to let you know what my thoughts are on that. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, first things first, we're looking at Solana. There's no secret, I am a Solana bull. I've had thousands of Solana, bought it $8, $16 in that price range. I've been accumulating. I've had tons and tons of Solana NFTs. I've traded them, made some money, lost some money on NFTs as well, but not really, to be honest. The overall value came down because the floor price came down on NFTs, on Solana NFTs, but I'm still up on them because, well, I got them at a very, very low price when Solana was like $8. That being said, Solana has made quite a meteoric rise, guys. And I'll be honest with you, let's look at this, zooming out. Man, this is quite, it's quite a chart. I'm not going to lie, guys. Buying down here was crazy. It was absolutely crazy when FTX collapsed and we came all the way down to $8. I remember what this was like down here, and it was despicable. It was very, very rough. But that being said, it is the phoenix that has rose from its ashes. It came back up to $205, almost breaking its previous high, which it has not yet. In my opinion, I think that there is a time where that will come. But until then, let's see where we're at right now. So first things first, we have made quite a new and healthy support level here at $123. A double bottom, if you will, and we're bouncing off. I do expect to come up to $175 to maybe even $188 around here as long as Bitcoin decides to play nice. I am long altcoins and Ethereum right now, especially Ethereum right now. That's probably my largest position in size right now that I have over on Femex and Blofin. If you guys want to get a fantastic sign-in bonus to Femex and Blofin and leverage trade along with me on these altcoins, please go down below this video. Click on the Blofin sign-up link or the Femex, a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blofin, $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. Check that out. But that being said, guys, I am long on Solana, obviously. I mean, look at this over on Twitter. You can follow me 333 Black C. I posted this in August 2023. Man, that was a while ago. It feels like yesterday. It's been a while since I wanted to go NFT shopping. I think the time is now. What should I sweep? And I spent a few hundred Solana on some NFTs. I still have a lot of NFTs. I've layered out because, well, let's be honest here, guys. NFTs haven't performed well, even on the most active chain, which is Solana. I'll say that Solana has outperformed Ethereum in 24-hour volume when it comes to NFTs, as well as even trading volume on some days. Absolutely insane to be saying that out loud. That being said, I do think that Solana needs Bitcoin to play nice for us to set up to make a move to the upside here. But I do think that Solana will make new all-time highs in this next leg to the upside. And I want to talk about that, where Bitcoin's at right now after this huge black swan event that happened a couple days ago, and it's basically sending the market into a frenzy, especially crypto. So first things first, Bitcoin is trading at $63,682. I feel like every time I look at this, it's going up higher. It's absolutely insane. Almost at $64,000. Guys, we got the daily and the weekly candle close above $59,000. In my mind, I was saying we get that weekly candle close above $59,000. Basically, it was $58,700. I said, it looks good for the bulls. And, well, as you can see, we're seeing that play out right now. It's very, very crazy to see this price action. If we see Bitcoin close above 64,000, my eyes are basically on, well, 65,000 is an important level, but 64 to 65K, then my eyes are on 72,000 and making a stab at the high of this channel right here. I do expect that. It's absolutely crazy breaking down below the 58,000, creating this bear trap. Like, it's pretty savage. It's pretty aggressive. Probably catching a lot of people. A lot of people on the sidelines are probably going to have to buy back in for a loss here when we start to see this continuation of the upside. A lot of bears are going to get hurt. And, you know, The technicals were showing that there was a chance of a bear trap. We talked about it on this channel. I brought it up. But when you couple that with this Black Swan event we had, it's going to be fireworks, guys. It's going to be fireworks. And I do want to talk about the S&P 500 as well, because it's important that we are paying attention to this. Because, well, if the S&P 500 performs well, you're going to see risk-on assets perform well. You're going to see crypto perform well. So let's talk about it. So first things first, I have done some quick analysis on the S&P 500 in previous videos, and we did have a red dot on Market Cipher on the monthly for the S&P 500, which is gone now. It is not there anymore. Because, well, we've been heading up to the upside. There's a lot of bullish things around the corner here, guys. It is an election year. They are not going to let the S&P 500 come down until probably after the election. And, well, we may see that play out. We'll have to see. Time will tell with that. Also, rate cuts. This purple line right here was the first rate cut we had, and this was the last rate cut we had. And now we're basically waiting for potentially a rate cut to happen. Did I say rate cut when I said rate hikes? This is when we had a rate hike, and this was the last rate hike. But that being said, right now we are waiting for a rate cut, and that is quote-unquote bullish, but it will cause some turbulence for sure. If you're cutting rates during a recession, it's not good. If you're cutting rates when things are good, then, well, it'll be bullish for risk-on assets. So, if Bitcoin does continue this move to the upside here, which is looking pretty good for the bulls, I want to see weekly candle closure above this level right here, sitting at about $64,000. That's what I was talking about, between $64,000 $65,000, for me to say, okay, it's time for the altcoins to have their day in the light here for some altcoin love. And also, man, there's so many important things that we need to be talking about right now. Ethereum spot ETF, guys. It may launch this month. In the next 2 weeks, it may launch. And, well, in my opinion, when Ethereum starts to make its big move, and if Ethereum does get that spot ETF launch, it's a green light for the altcoins. Probably see Solana make its way up to the higher end of this channel, above $200, maybe even test its all-time high of about $257. It's possible. I will keep my eyes open for that. But, guys, right now we are in some very, very interesting times here. And I do think that we probably see continuation. And I do think that if this does continue and this is the beginning of our next leg up, I've seen people joking around calling it the Trump pump. We'll see if that lives to see the light. We'll see if that actually does happen or if this is going to start to come back down. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think this is going to be just a short little hype because of the Black Swan event? Or do you think that this is going to be the beginning of our next leg up to the upside? And I will also say that if it is the next leg to the upside, then, well, I will say that it's probably the last for this cycle. And I know that sounds a little scary and a little doom and gloomy, but I put my money where my mouth is. And I tell you guys how I see it. I'm transparent, and that's what I see. That's what I see, honestly, especially if we make our way to that $90,000, $100,000, $120,000 price level in a short period of time before the end of this year, then I'm going to say, okay, that's probably where we're headed. And I do also want to say, guys, I did not reach 500 followers by Sunday, so I'm not giving away $1,000, but I still want to give away $1,000. If we can get to, let's say, 550, 100 followers on Instagram at 333BlackC by next Sunday, I will give away $1,000. Solana, Crowcoin, Bitcoin, whatever crypto you want. Go follow me there. But that's all I really got, guys. Check out those awesome referral links down below. Do you think that we're about to see the next leg up to the upside? Let me know in the comment section below. But that's all I got for you. See you in the next one. Bye.